All right, we're really moving along here. We've got our AutoSum function or procedure. We've selected cells. We found that last cell. We're now starting to put together the formula inside of one cell down below the last cell inside of the F column. Now, let's try this out. Let's make sure that this is working before we start elaborating more on this procedure and get it to loop. So let's get our windows side by side each other. Now, there's my document in the background. I'm on the East records. There's my procedure there. Now, in reality, before I run this, we should really save the document. Because remember, you can't undo. Okay? So if you'd like to, make sure you save. You're going to want to save it as a macro-enabled document. So you're going to change it from the .xlsx to the .xlsm, or the macro-enabled workbook. Okay? So, got my window here. Let's try this out. I'm going to go ahead and click into there. And I'm going to show you something a little bit, we haven't talked about it during this course here. I want to be able to watch this thing do its work. Not just done, hit the button, hit the run button, and done. But I want to step through the code and actually watch what it's doing in the background. So take a look. I'm going to click into my procedure. On my keyboard, I'm going to give you a shortcut key here. You got your function keys, F1 through F12 at the top of your keyboard. I'm going to press the F8 key, F8. This is going to allow me to run a single line of code at a time. So this way I can watch my code and I can watch my window over here. So watch. I'm going to press F8. This activates my procedure, turns yellow there. I'm going to press F8 again. Now it's on the range F2.select. Watch my window. I'm going to press F8 and it's going to run that line. So it found F2. I'm going to press F8 again. It jumps to the bottom, found the line. I'm going to press F2 again and it's going to run my variable line. If I just hover my mouse over the top of the last cell, see how it says that last cell equals nothing? Well, I'm going to press F8. Now what's it equal to? The address, the relative address of that last cell, F15. Now let's keep going here. I'm going to press F8 again. It offset one row down. Now, active cell.value is currently empty, but I'm going to press F8 again, and there's my formula. If I look up above, there's my formula that little bit of code generated for me. The active cell, one cell down, is currently equal to equals sum F2 through F15. Very cool. Very cool. Just a little bit of code. Nothing big here. But we're mastering these key concepts through these projects. I was able to find that last cell, find the formula necessary, and fill that in. Now, I'm all done. Because that line's still yellow, I'm going to go hit the stop button here. This will end the debugger, or it'll end running the procedure. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. Now it's no longer running. Nothing should be yellow on my screen. Now we've nailed the first part. Try that out. Open it up, get your windows side by side, just F8, F8, F8. Watch your code run. Make sure you're getting the correct results there. Because now we got it to happen for one worksheet. We need to do it for the other 4 worksheets in the workbook. So the next video we're going to take a look at is creating a loop. Get ready for that.